Debian 13.6 Trixie point release is here. What do you need to know? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the latest point release from the Debian project, which is Debian 13.6 codenamed Trixie, along with important news for users still running Debian 12 Bookworm. So first, what is a point release? If you are new to Debian, a point release isn't a full new version of the operating system. Instead, it's a carefully curated update that bundles the latest security patches and important bug fixes into refreshed installation media. This makes it easier for new users to install a clean, up-to-date system without downloading hundreds of updates afterward. Debian 13.6, released on July 11, 2026, is the sixth point release for the current stable series. It brings 120 security updates and 124 bug fixes for various packages. So now, let's talk about the key highlights in Debian 13.6. First, the security improvements. Updates cover critical components, including the Linux kernel, Chromium, Firefox ESR, Thunderbird, Nginx, Redis, FFmpeg, PHP, PostgreSQL, and many more widely used tools. Now, security boot enhancements. The FWPD package has been updated to version 2.0.20. This adds support for refreshing the Secure Boot Certificate Authority, which is CA, and Key Exchange Key, which is KEK, and revocation DBX databases. Especially important now that some default UEFI Secure Boot certificates have expired. Other notable changes. The release reverts the GeoIP database package to an older TFSG compliant version for IP geolocation support. The Debian installer has also been refreshed with the latest fixes. Now, about the desktop environments in live images. Live images for 64-bit systems come preloaded with popular desktop environments. For example, KDE Plasma 6.3.6, GNOME Desktop 48, Xfce Desktop with 4.20, Cinnamon Desktop with 6.4.10, LXQT 2.1, MAT 1.26.1, LXDE 0.11.1, and the new Junior Edition with IceWM. Now, about the Debian 12.15, the final Bookworm update. Alongside Trixie's update, Debian 12.15 has been released as the 15th and final point release for the Bookworm series. This marks the transition of Debian 12 into long-term support, which is LTS, handheld by the dedicated LTS team, with support from FreeXen. Regular security maintenance from the core Debian security team ends now, and LTS support will continue until June 30, 2028. So, if you are still on Bookworm, this is a great time to consider upgrading to Debian 13 for continued full support. So, how to update your existing system? For users already running Debian 13 or Debian 12, you don't need to reinstall. Simply run these commands in your terminal, which is sudo apt update and sudo apt full-upgrade. You can also use a graphical tool like Synaptic if you prefer. To check your current version, type in cat/etc/debian_version. So now, who should download the new ISOs? New users setting up Debian on fresh hardware. Anyone who had installation issues with previous images, or users wanting the latest stable installer with all security fixes pre-applied. Now about the download links from the official Debian mirrors. Installation images for multiple architectures like AMD 64, ARM 64, RISC-V 64, PPC 64EL, S390X, ARM HF. Live images with various desktop environments. You can find them on the official Debian website or through BitTorrent and Jigdo for faster, more efficient downloads. Always verify the checksums after downloading. Now, final thoughts. Debian continues to deliver one of the most stable and secure Linux experiences available. Whether you are a server administrator, developer, or desktop user, these regular point releases keep your system protected without unnecessary disruption. If you are running Debian, make sure to update soon. And if you are thinking about trying it, the new 13.6 media is an excellent starting point. Let me know in the comments. Are you on Debian 13 yet or still on 12? What desktop environments do you prefer? Drop a like if this was helpful. Subscribe for more Linux updates. And I will see you in the next video. Stay secure and happy computing.